Hello guys, you are welcome to my smartphone graphic design tutorial using PixelLab. In this video, we are going to design a simple logo in PixelLab. We are going to design just a simple logo in PixelLab. From the simple one, then you can get tips and master PixelLab so that you can design bigger ones. Like we are going to design this logo. We are going to design it in PixelLab. So now we'll head over to our PixelLab. But before we continue, if you are new on my channel, all you have to do is to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and you are good to go. And if this is your first time of joining us, all you have to do is to go over to our recent videos so that you will get all we have taught so far. Now all we have to do is to open our PixelLab application so that we start designing our logo. Now if you open PixelLab for the first time, this is the default page it will show. Now I will delete this text you are seeing here. Delete it. Now if you go back and look at the logo we want to design, you can see that it is designed using a shape. I designed it using a shape that looked like pentagon, but that's not pentagon. Now let's import the shape. You can click on that plus icon here to create a shape. You click on it, then you go over to shapes. Then as you can see, the default shape it will give you here is square, but you can still change it to any shape that you want. All you have to do is to click here. Then you can see other shapes. Now if you click on it, this is the shape I used, and this is the one that I will click on. Now this is the shape I used. Now all you have to do is to click on the shape. As you can see, the shape have already appeared. After clicking on the shape, just click on this good icon so that it will show well. So now it have already appeared. What I have to do now is to go over to the logo that we are designing so that you will see how it looks. So now I will go back. All I have to do is to duplicate this logo. If you want to edit a shape, just click here. That's all about shapes. So I'll click on it. Then scroll left so that you can see other features we want. I will scroll left now so that you will see duplicate. No, duplicate is already here, but if you need other features, you can scroll left and see others. Like if you scroll, you can see many other features that we still use in this video. Even if you don't use it here, you can use it in our next tutorial. Now we want to duplicate this logo. If you want to duplicate anything in this PixelLab, all you have to do is to click copy. If you click copy, it will duplicate it immediately. Now as you can see, the image has been duplicated. I will change the color of one so that you will know the difference. Now to change the color, all you have to do is to scroll left so that you will see the color icon. If you scroll left more, you can see the color icon. This is it. Now if you click on it, just click on that enable. Click click on enable. As you can see, the default color it gives it is red, but you can still change the color. You can still change the color to any color you want, either black, many other color, or even gradient. This is gradient here. This is gradient. If you click on it, you can change it and also compose your own gradient. You can see the gradient it have here. If you don't like this one, all you have to do is to click on this plus icon to generate your own gradient, but we are not going to that for now. This video is meant for logo design, just to design logo. We will still teach how to generate gradients, beautiful ones. Now let's just leave the color like this and mark the good icon. So now all I have to do is to move. If you go back to that logo, you can see that one side of it has been cut. Yeah, has been cut. So now we will do it. We go back and do it in that shape. Now first of all, reduce the size. If you want to reduce the size of this shape, all you have to do is to click here. Just drag that place, drag it in to reduce the size, drag it out to increase the size. I want to reduce it a little bit. In designing a logo, not only a logo, in graphic designing, all that is required is your knowledge, your creativity. That's all that is required in this graphic design. As far as we are creative, we are good to go. I think I have got what I want. Now what we have to do is to group these two shapes. Now if you want to group two of them, just look at the top left corner of this design area. Yeah, that's where you will click on that place. Then after clicking on it, you can see the two shapes that we imported. See both of them, the two shapes. Now what you have to do now is to click down here. Click down here. As you can see, it shows the two shapes, as in something changed here. Like you just show that you want to select these two shapes. Now all you have to do now is to click on the two shapes to select them. Click on them on that checkbox. After clicking on them, now the next step is to click on this button, here. Click there so that you will group it. As you can see, are you sure you want to merge the selected objects? Click OK. This object have been selected. As you can see, it's not different again. It has been selected. It's now one. Now what I have to do to get the logo I want is that I have to remove the one that is in center, that pink one, so that it will only remain the white one. I'll remove that pink one. Now all you have to do is to scroll left like this till you see erase color. Scroll left gradually till you see this icon here, erase color. That's the one we'll be using. Now all you have to do is to click on that erase color and click enable. As you can see, it erased the white one instead of the pink one. Now all you have to do is to click here so that you will select the one you want it to erase. Click here. After clicking there, as you can see, this is the selector. It shows there, and even there are many shapes here with different colors. you use the selector to select the color that you want to remove. Now you can move the selector to any color. Then after that, you click on this good icon. It will erase that color immediately. As you can see, it have erased that one and bring back the white one. We are getting closer to what we want now. As you can see, we have it too here. All we have to do now is to duplicate this one. Duplicate it. Now we know that to duplicate it, it must be selected, and it is selected here already. To select it, just click on it and click on copy here to duplicate it. As you can see, it has been duplicated. Now we will reduce the size of one so that it will fit inside the other one. Now I'll drag it in small so that the size will reduce. Now I think it's good like this. So you will make it to fit inside the bigger one. As you can see, it's good now. It's already there, but I want to reduce the size more. So what I want to show you guys again is that if you are moving a shape, like you want it to be at a particular place, but due to you are using your hand to move it, you are not getting what you want. All you have to do is to just leave the shape, move over to here, move over to this button here, this position button, click on it. Now all you have to do is to use these buttons here to move your shapes or anything, whether text or anything that you want to move in this your design area. These are the buttons you can use. And you can also increase the rate in which the shape or the text moves. I'll show you now. I want to move this shape to the left. Now this is the left button, this is the right, this is up and down. So I'll move it to the left now, this thing, then it will move faster. So now I'll use it to fit in this shape inside the big one. I think we're almost there. Now after this, now what I want to do next is to group these two shapes together again. Group these shapes together. You go up there again, click down here as we did the other time, and select the two shapes. Click here again to merge two of them after selecting the two shapes. Now the two shapes these two shapes are one. Now it is not two again, it appears as one image. Now I would like to change the background. I would like to change the background of our design, the background of this design area, because I don't like the color of the background. I want to change the background. Now what you have to do is to click here, this button down here. That's where you will click to change the background. If you click on it, you click on the first button that appears, that one, color. If you click on it, then you choose any color of your choice. You can also choose gradient, but I think I want to choose white color. Yeah, white color. As you can see, they are both white, but I will change the color of my logo. I will change the color of my logo. Now just go back here, so that we can change the color of the logo. Then scroll left to see the color icon. This is it. Now click on it and choose any color of your choice. Now I think this logo is good to go. This is just a simple logo. I think we have come to the end of this tutorial. We will see in our next video.